morning students. Today we are going to discuss about grade 7 science, physical science chapter light lesson. Already we have discussed what is mean by light, reflection of light, and another one is the plane mirror and image. Also in previous class we have discussed it. Today we are going to discuss about types of mirrors, and already we have discussed first mirror, that is a plane mirror. Two types of mirror is there. How many types of mirrors is there? Two types of mirrors is there. What is that one? What is the first one? The first one is the plane mirror. Second one is the spherical mirrors. Okay. Already we have discussed in previous class. We have discussed plane mirror. What is mean by plane mirror? Plane mirror means which is nothing but is a flat surface. The flat surface. One side reflecting surface. Okay. Two sides is there. Okay. This is the plane mirror. Sorry, here example. This is the plane mirror. This is a reflecting surface. This is one side reflecting surface. Another one side does not reflect any rays, any light rays. Okay. This is called the plane mirror. Okay. Are you understand? We know the plane mirror very well. Each and every day we use in our home. Am I correct? Okay. See here, this is the plane mirror. One side reflecting surface, another one side does not reflect the rays. That is called the plane mirror. Plane mirror, we get an image from plane mirror same size. Okay, we get the image in which type? The image, we get the image from the plane mirror, virtual and erect. Okay, plane mirror, we get the image in which type? That is the virtual and erect, laterally inverted. This is the property of plane mirror. These points already we have discussed in previous class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about spherical mirror. Today we are going to discuss about spherical mirror. Do you know about the sphere or spherical? Okay, see here. What is that shape? Spherical or hollow sphere. This is the spherical. Correct? Am I correct? Okay. See here, the spherical mirrors are classified into two types. What are the two types of spherical mirrors? See here. Here we put the center line. Are you understand? Okay. This is one side of mirror. This is one side of mirror. Are you understand? See here, the spherical mirrors are classified into two types. That only we are going to see. See here, this here we separate the spherical. This is one side of mirror. This is one side of mirror. Am I correct? Okay. See here, what is mean by spherical means? What is mean by spherical means? Curved reflecting surface. What is mean by spherical means? Spherical mirror means curved reflecting surface. This is the curved reflecting surface. What is mean by spherical? Spherical means which is nothing but curved reflective surface. Okay, here this side reflecting surface, this side reflecting surface. Okay, see here, in halo sphere, in spherical, in sphere, two sides is there. Okay, see here, this is the spherical mirror means that means one side bludging and another one side bludging. That means bludging means bigger. Are you understand? Bludging inwards or outwards. Bludging present in inwards or outwards. Outwards is called the spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors which is nothing but, are you understand? Spherical mirror which is nothing but bludging inwards or outwards is called the spherical mirrors, or otherwise curved reflective surface. Okay, see here, we separate the two parts. Okay, see here, this is the silver coating. Let us consider the one sphere. We separate the two part. We separate the two part. We separate the mirror two part in spherical sphere. Are you understand? Let us consider the one sphere. We separate the two mirror. The spherical mirror is divided into two parts. What is that one? That only I am saying. Are you understand? Okay, see here. This is the reflecting surface. Sorry. This is the silver coating. This is silver coating surface. Any rays does not reflected from silver coating. Silver coating surface. Okay. Here this is the silver coating surface. Silver coating surface. Are you understand? Okay. What is that inside the part? What is that outside the part? This side, that side. Okay. See here. This is light rays. I am going to passing the light rays. This here. This part is the reflecting surface. This part is the reflecting surface. Okay, are you understand? Inside the sphere reflecting surface, outside the sphere silver coating surface. This mirror is called the concave mirror. This mirror is called the concave mirror. That means inside bludging or mirrored inner surface of a section of hollow sphere. Are you understand? Don't confuse that. Okay, see here. Here outside reflecting surface. Here outside reflecting surface. Okay, see here. Watch carefully. See here. Let us consider the one sphere. The spherical mirrors. What is mean by spherical mirrors? Which is nothing but curved reflecting surface. That is called the spherical mirrors, or otherwise bludging inwards or outwards is called the spherical mirrors. The spherical mirrors are classified into two types. What is the first one? One side of the sphere means one side sphere reflecting surface. Outside the sphere, that is a one side inner surface, the sphere reflecting surface. That is one type of mirror. Outside of the sphere reflecting surface, that is another one type of mirror. What is that one? Okay, are you understand? Okay, see here. Here, inner side of the reflecting surface and outer side facing the silver coating. Okay, then that type of mirror is called the concave mirror. Are you understand? Inside bulging or inner section, mirror inner surface of a section of hollow sphere. That is called the concave mirror. Are you understand? Inside of the sphere reflecting surface, a concave mirror consists of inner side of the reflecting surface. That is called the concave mirror. What is mean by concave mirror? Which is nothing but inside of the hollow sphere. A reflecting surface are present in inside of the sphere. That is called the concave mirror. Don't confuse. Are you understand? Okay. Another one. What is mean by convex mirror? Okay. Outside of the reflecting surface, outside or present. The reflecting surface outside or present, or the outside touching outside of the sphere is called the convex mirror. Are you understand? This mirror is called the concave mirror. This mirror is called the convex mirror. This mirror is called the convex mirror. Are you understand? Don't confuse that. Inside the reflecting surface present in inside the sphere, that is called the concave mirror. The reflecting surface outside the sphere is called the convex mirror. Are you understand? Don't confuse that. Okay, see here. What is mean by concave mirror means? See here. I am saying easy method. Okay, see here. This is the concave mirror. See here, inside the surface, reflecting surface. Okay, inside the sphere, the reflecting surface, that is called the concave mirror. See here, this is the silver coating surface outside of the sphere, silver coating surface. Okay, this part silver coating surface. Okay, this is reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. A light rays going to pass the reflecting surface. The rays are converge. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Like that, this mirror is called the concave mirror. Okay, what is mean by concave mirror? A spherical mirror that consists of a mirrored inner surface. Mirrored inner surface or bulging inwards. That is called the surface of a section of a hollow sphere. அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம். Are you understand? This is the concave mirror. Okay. What is the convex mirror? See here. This is the convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. Bulging outside. This is silver coating. This is reflecting surface. This is now we are going to pass the light rays. What happened? Then we will discuss after. Okay. This is the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Okay. Are you understand? Okay. See here. This is the convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. Are you understand? What is mean by convex mirror? The inner surface, the reflecting surface are present in outside of the sphere is called the convex mirror, or bulging outwards of the sphere or outer surface of a section of a hollow sphere. That is called the convex mirror. Like that. This is the concave mirror. This is the convex mirror. Don't confuse that. Okay. The silver coating outside means concave. The silver coating inside means convex. Are you understand? The reflecting surface inside means concave. The reflecting surface outside means convex. Convex mirror. Are you understand? This is the concave mirror. This is the convex mirror. Simply we can say the spherical mirrors, which is nothing but curved reflective surface. This is classified into two types. The spherical mirrors are classified into two types. What is the first one? That is the concave mirror. And the second one is the convex mirror. Convex mirror. We know very well what is mean by concave mirror. The reflecting surface are present inside the reflecting surface. The reflecting surface are present inside the sphere. That is called the concave. The reflecting surface are present in outside the sphere is called the convex mirror. That's all. Okay. Next, we apply the light rays. Very important. We get image means we are going to pass the light rays to mirror, concave mirror or convex mirror. What happened? We get image from the concave mirror or convex mirror. Where we get the image from the concave mirror or convex mirror, that only now we are going to discuss about. Before, see here, this is the hollow sphere. Okay. Wait. Center of the hollow sphere, we can say center of curvature. Okay, see here. This is the hollow sphere. This is the hollow sphere. We put principal axis. The center point is the two lens is there. This is the okay. This is convex lens, convex mirror. This is concave mirror. Okay. Okay. See here. This is the hollow sphere, no? Spherical, no? Okay. This center place is the C. Let us consider C. That is the center of curvature. Center of sphere is called the center of curvature. Next, this is called the, we put the one line, no? Okay. We put the center of the sphere, we put the line center of the sphere, no? This is called the principal axis. What is that? Principal axis. The center line is called the principal axis. Okay. Center, middle of the sphere. Middle of the sphere is called the pole. What is that? Middle of the sphere is called the pole. Okay. Next, where did the image formed? That place is called the focal length. We get the image from that mirror, no? Concave mirror, otherwise convex mirror, no? Okay. Where did the image get from that point? That point is called the focal length, F. Okay. The focal length between the center of curvature and the pole. We get the image that place. We get the image from focal length. Focus. F means focus. Are you understand? What is the F? F is the focus or focal length. P is the pole. is the center of curvature. Center of curvature. Are you understand? Okay. What is mean by C? Center of the curvature of sphere. F is the focal length. P is the pole. The line is the principal axis. Okay. Same. This is the concave mirror. Like that. This is the convex mirror also. We put this is the C, F and P. P, F and C. Are you understand? We get the image from out of the mirror. Like that plane mirror. Okay. We get the image behind the mirror, no? So we get the image convex mirror also. We get the image behind the mirror. Are you understand? We put separately. See here. This is the concave mirror. This is the center of curvature. This is the focal length focus. This is the pole. This is the concave mirror. Like that. Okay, are you understand? Okay. See here. This is concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Okay. What is that? Let us consider. This is a C is the center of curvature of the sphere. P is the midpoint of the sphere. P is the pole. This is the midpoint of the sphere. Then this is the center point of the center point. F is the center point. We get the image from the focus. Are you understand? Okay. Now we are going to pass the light rays. Now we are going to pass the light rays. What happened? Now we are going to pass the light rays. What happened? We get the image of the object. Okay. See here. Let us consider the one object like that candle. Okay. Let us consider the concave mirror. We are going to pass the light rays through concave mirror. What happened? This is the image. We are going to pass the rays through concave mirror. Okay, what happened? The rays are going to reach the reflecting surface. Then we come to some place. Okay. The light rays are going to meet the one place. We get the image. We get some image. Okay. So concave mirror is called the converging mirror. Are you understand? Concave mirror is called the converging mirror. Converge means all the rays are meet at any point, meet at any one point. So we can say concave mirror is called the converging mirror. Converge means all the rays, all the light rays are meet at any one point. Am I correct? Okay, we get the image of the object. Are you understand? See here, what is that? Concave mirror. We are going to pass the light rays to concave mirror. What happened? The light rays are going to reflecting the concave mirror. Okay, to meet at any one point. Then we get the image of the object. So we can say concave mirror is converging mirror. Concave mirror is the converging mirror. Concave mirror is the converging mirror. Concave mirror converging the rays, we get the image from at any one point. Are you understand? Okay. How do you feel about that image? How do you feel about that image means depends upon the distance of the object. Okay, see here, the object is kept on far away means the object kept on, that means the object kept on some distance. We get the image, we get some image. Okay, we kept on the object near the mirror means, okay, first condition, we kept on the object distance from the mirror, distance from the concave mirror. We get the image depends upon the distance. We know the image, real image or virtual image. Are you understand? Already we have discussed some two images are there. Real image and virtual image is there. Okay. Plane mirror we get a virtual image. Already we know very well. Plane mirror we get a virtual image. Here concave mirror gives real mirror, real image and virtual image. Okay, why means depends upon the distance, depends upon the that means distance or the we kept the object depends upon the distance. We kept the object depends upon the distance. Okay, fair distance. Okay, now here kept the object. We get some image, real or virtual. Okay, then close to the mirror. Distance, we kept the object, maintained some distance from the concave mirror. We get some image. Okay, next, second condition, fair distance la some images is there. Closer distance, some images is there. Are you understand? Okay. What image we get from the fair distance and closer distance? Concave mirror only gives two images, real images and virtual images. Are you understand? Okay. That only we are going to discuss about. See here. Image formed by a concave mirror. We apply the, we are going to pass the light rays through concave mirror. What happened? Some images are formed. Already I have explained two images is there, real image and virtual image. Are you understand? But note the point, but plane mirror, already we have discussed, plane mirror only gives the virtual image only, but concave mirror gives real and virtual image. How is it possible? See here, this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror means reflecting surface are present inside the sphere. So, outside silver coating surface. Silver coating surface. So, we apply this is the principal axis. We apply we are going to pass the light rays. We are going to pass the light rays. What happened? Already we have discussed. Concave mirror, converging mirror. Okay, concave mirror. We apply we are going to pass the light rays to reflect the concave mirror, then converge, the light rays are converged at any one point. Then we get the image of the object. Am I correct? Okay. We apply the light rays. What happened? The reflecting, we apply the light rays to reflect the Concave. What are the property of concave mirror? Concave mirror, we pass the light rays through concave mirror to reflect the light rays from the concave mirror. One place converge. Okay, meet at the light rays, all the light rays are converge at one point. That is the focus point. We get the image of the object. Okay, are you understand? Okay, this is the concave mirror, image formed by a concave mirror. Okay, see here, let us consider the so we can say concave mirror is called the converging mirror. First point, concave mirror is called the converging mirror. Okay, okay, what is the second point? Depends on the distance of the object from the concave mirror. Okay, image formed by the depends on the distance of the object. What is that distance of the object? Image formed by the depends on the distance of the object from the concave mirror. See here, I am going to explain one example. This is the candle. Okay, this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Okay. In between, we kept on a screen. This is the converging rays. Okay, so concave mirror collect the converging rays. So concave mirror is the converging mirror, we can say. Okay, so I have this diagram. We do the another one diagram. We are going to say the one example. See here. This is the candle. Okay, we put far distance. This is the object, no? The object kept in some distance from the concave mirror. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror, what is the shape of concave mirror? Spherical shape. Are you understand? Okay. Now we get a screen in middle. Now we kept a screen on middle. Okay. See here. This is the experiment. Let us consider the one candle. The candles are blooming. Okay. What happened? Some images, the light rays are going to reflect from the concave mirror. The light rays are going to reflect from concave mirror. We get the image someplace. We get the light rays converge at any one point. We get the image of the object. Now the object kept some distance from the concave mirror. Are you understand? Let us consider the one object. The object maintained some distance from the concave mirror. We pass on the light rays on the object. What happened? The light rays are going to reach the concave mirror. The reflecting surface, the reflecting rays come to meet at any one point. We get the image of the object. Like that. To maintain some distance far away from the concave mirror, not close, far away. Maintain some distance from the object and concave mirror. We get some image. What is that image? That is the real image. We get the image. This is the screen. The real a screen. The real images are get only a screen. Okay, always the real images are inverted. The real images are always really, that means the real images are always inverted. The real images are only get a screen. Are you understand? Already we have discussed it. Are you understand? The light rays are going to reflecting concave mirror. Some get images on a screen. The images are inverted. We get the real image. The real image means inverted image. Okay. What is the second point? If object is far away means some distance, maintain the distance. Which one? Object and concave mirror. Okay. What is the image status? That image status is real, inverted and small. Are you understand? Okay. Okay. Get small. This is original object. This is image of the object. Are you understand? Okay. Now we are going to close the object from concave mirror. Down, close the object close to the concave mirror. Close to the object concave mirror. What happened? See here. Now close to the object. The concave. Now close to the concave mirror. What happened? The images get virtual. Like the plane mirror. The images are virtual and erect and enlarged. Okay? Enlarged means it is the big size from the object. Are you understand? The images, whenever the object is going to close the concave mirror, we get a image virtual and enlarged size from the object. And enlarged size from the object. We know the virtual. Virtual means now we are going to home here in plane mirror. Okay, in front of the plane mirror we get the image on the beyond of the mirror. That is the virtual image. No, already we have explained. No, okay. See here, we are going to whenever we close the object. That means the object close to the concave mirror, we get the image virtual and enlarged. That is the big size of the image from the object. Are you understand? Okay. See here. If object is very close to the concave mirror, what happens? We get the virtual, erect and enlarged image. Okay, this is the properties of concave mirror. Are you understand? Image formed by a concave mirror like that. Far away means if object is far away, this is the object, this is the concave mirror, this is the concave mirror. What happened? Between middle the screen. Far away means we get the image real, inverted and small. That is the property of concave mirror. That is the characteristic of concave mirror. Are you understand? Okay. If the object is very close means we get the image virtual, erect and enlarged. Virtual means, what is the meaning of virtual? Same size, same object. Are you understand? That means same size, same object. Like that we hear, that is the chalk piece means we get the chalk piece. The image of chalk piece. That is the virtual and erect and enlarged. Big size of the object. Are you understand? Okay. This is the image formed by a concave mirror. Concave mirror gives two objects, that is the two images, real and virtual. Why means depends upon the distance of the object from the concave mirror. Are you understand? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the convex mirror. Same like that. Convex mirror. What is the convex mirror? Outside bulging of mirror. That is called the convex mirror. Convex mirror diverging the rays. We get the virtual image. Next, uses of concave mirror. Uses of concave. Where we use the concave mirror? Where we use the concave mirror? Do you know any idea about that? What is the uses of concave mirror? We know we are going to doctor. No, some mirror is used. Doctor used some mirrors. What is a mirror? We know very well 3 types of mirror is there: plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, which mirror the doctors used or is going to use? Which mirror? Do you know any idea about that? Every day we saw the doctors, all the doctors used some mirrors. A throat pain or tooth pain or eyes, all the one checking. No, some mirrors are used. Okay, what are the mirrors kept in their hand? That mirror is also called that mirror's concave mirror. That mirror is called the concave mirror. Then shaving mirror and our vehicles headlights is there. No, car, bike. Headlights is meant front of the vehicle. Some lights is there. No, that lights also used in concave mirror. Concave mirror, why they used in concave mirror? Doctors or vehicles means the light rays are converging. We get the image. The light rays are converging. Am I correct? They are going to beam of rays. That means the light rays are converged. So they are used in concave mirrors. At the time only, whenever the light rays are converging means we get the image. Okay, some problem in our eye, the doctor used a concave mirror. Okay, get the image means the light rays converge the object from the concave mirror. Are you understand? I am saying you understand or not? Light rays pass on the object, reflecting rays from the object to converge at one point. Are you understand? Okay, the light rays are reflecting, the light rays passing the light rays through concave mirror. The concave mirror, the light rays are reflecting from the concave mirror to get the image. To get the image or converge the rays from the light rays, concave mirror. Which rays? Object rays. The rays are going to touch the object, then reflecting the concave mirror, then we get the image. Are you understand? Don't confuse that. Okay. Okay, where and all use the concave mirror? See here, shaving mirrors, makeup mirrors and dentist mirrors. Okay, shaving mirrors, makeup mirrors and dentist also used some mirror. No, that is the concave mirror. Why means converge the light rays. Okay, next used as reflectors in torch light, also concave mirror, and searchlight, also headlight of vehicles, used the concave mirror. Okay, do you know all the, that means what mirror used in the vehicles? In driver's seat front side of the mirror. No, what type of mirror? That mirror is called the rear view mirror. Rear view mirror. Okay, see here, used as reflector by doctor to examine. Examine means determine, to find out. Okay, to examine body parts of such as eyes, ears, nose and throat. They used the concave mirrors. Are you understand? Okay, now we are going to discuss about convex mirror. Convex mirror. Image formed by a concave mirror. Convex mirror. Image formed by a convex mirror. Okay. See here. Where is present in the reflecting surface in convex mirror? Where is present reflecting surface in convex mirror? Outer side present reflecting surface. This is the convex mirror. This is the reflecting surface. So this is the inner side of the convex mirror, silicon coating. See, this is the reflecting surface of outside. Reflecting surface. This is the convex mirror. Okay. Now we are going to pass the light rays to convex mirror. What happened? See here. This is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. This is center of curvature. This is focal length and P is the pole. Am I correct? C is the center of curvature. P is the pole. Okay. See here. We are going to pass the light rays to convex mirror. What happened? The light rays are going to reach the convex mirror, then reflecting the rays from the convex mirror. Reflecting, that means diverging the rays. We apply that, we are going to pass the light rays to convex mirror, diverging the rays. Diverging the rays. Okay, I understand. What happened? The light rays going to reach the convex mirror, then light rays diverging from the convex mirror. Diverging. Okay. Okay. Where we get the image from convex mirror? Behind the object. Behind the object. See here. We put focal length. This is the focal length and pole. Okay. We get the image from focus. We get the image in the focus. Okay. This is the convex mirror. Okay. What is mean by convex mirror? Which is nothing but the reflecting surface are present in outside. That is convex mirror. Then we are going to pass the light rays to convex mirror. The reflecting, the light rays are diverging from the convex mirror. We get a image. We get a image in focus. We get an image from the focus. The focus are present behind the mirror. Are you understand? Okay. What are the status of image of an object? Okay. What are the status of the image? What are the status of the image? Okay. This is the convex mirror. Are you understand? We pass the light rays to convex mirror. The light rays are diverging from the convex mirror. We get the image on the image in focus. The focus are present behind the convex mirror. Are you understand? Okay. I will say one example. See here. Let us consider the one object, say candle. Okay. See here. Here, this is convex lens. This is convex lens. Okay. We pass on the light rays. We pass on the light rays. Okay. What happened? Get the image. What is the light rays? We get the image here. The images are small size. The images are small size. Sorry. The images, we get the image small size. Comparing the original object. Okay. The comparing the original object, the image get small size and virtual. Virtual means we get same object. That is called the virtual. And direct. And we get the small size of the image. Comparing the object. Are you understand? That is the characteristic of convex lens, convex mirror. Are you understand? Image formed by a convex mirror is called the diverging mirror. Convex mirror is the diverging mirror. The light rays are diverging. Does not meet any point. We get the image behind the mirror. The images are virtual, correct, but smaller than the object. Smaller than the object. Okay. See here, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Okay. Reflected and diverged. The light rays are get reflected and diverge from the convex mirror, and we get the image. What is the status of image? Virtual, erect, and smaller than the object. Virtual means same object. Okay, virtual means we get the image behind the mirror. Erect means same object, smaller than the object. That is the status of convex mirror of object. Okay, next. That is the convex mirror. Why we get virtual means, why we get virtual? Plane mirror also diverging the rays. So that only, there only we get the virtual image. Okay, diverge means the rays are diverging means we get the virtual image. Are you understand? Okay. Uses of convex mirror. Where and all we use the convex mirror? In our used as a rear view mirror. In our vehicle front side, a small mirror is present. No, that mirror is called the rear view mirror. Are you understand? Then side view mirror also convex mirror. In our vehicle, two side view mirror is there. No, that is the convex mirror. Okay, then used in shops and stores also, they are used in convex mirror. Are you understand? In shop, some convex mirror are present, but the objects are, objects are showing in small size. In big supermarket, no, in a big mall or supermarket, also present in convex mirror. Why means the objects are, all the objects are covered, no, so the objects are get the image in small size, but focus all the objects. So they are used in side view mirror also, used in convex mirror. Okay, the rear view mirror means in present in our vehicle, that means ambulance is there, no, ambulance right in inverted, right in some, okay, that question we will discuss in next class. Are you understand? Okay, it is enough today. Are you understand? What and all today we have discussed? Concave mirror, spherical mirrors, about spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, this is the mirrors, concave mirror, this is the plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror. Are you understand? Some example I show it. concave mirror, convex mirror and plane mirror. 3 mirrors is there. You understand? Okay. Okay students, in next class we are going to discuss about lens and colors. Today don't confuse mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror and concave lens, convex lens is there, no, but don't confuse that. So today enough about spherical mirror. Next class we are going to discuss about lens, concave lens and convex lens. Are you understand? What and all today we are going to discuss about? What and all today we are going to discuss about? Spherical mirrors. What and all we are going to discuss about? Spherical mirrors. Spherical mirror is classified into concave, convex. Concave means we get two images. Okay, what are the images? Real image and virtual image. But convex mirror produce only virtual image and direct and size smaller than the object. Are you understand? That's all we have discussed. Don't confuse. Concave mirror, inside reflecting surface. Convex mirror, outside reflecting surface. That's all. It's a basic concept. Don't confuse, don't forget. Okay students, thank you. I will give worksheet. You did properly. Okay students, thank you. Next class we will see which.